Dexter, what have I done? We were gonna do it, but I just slapped it together in 5 minutes.
We built paper airplane, and then we put with a motor, then my motor control car part, and a small car. Then we built it all to an airplane, and then see if it flies.
This is test one. Some tape.
Yeah.
Low voltage. This is something that Dexter tore apart. It's one of those little pocket RC car things.
They don't like.
It didn't work very well. We're at the park playing with the bunnies.
Lily, hold on.
And so we're just gonna see if this thing flies. Here you go, you hold this.
That was so funny, Rowdy.
Don't shoot me, I'm all naked like. I got no shirt on. Just stop. So, got paper airplane, there's a little battery and a little circuit board, and then it's very slow because it's only like half the rated voltage. It feels like it's pulling a little bit. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
I have no control over anything except for just go. So here we go. Yeah, it falls like a rock, as I suspect.
Yeah.
The propeller is only running at like a portion of the speed.
Yeah, it's not gonna fly.
Feel it though?
Yeah, it doesn't really.
All right, Dexter, just like kind of throw it up.
Like that?
Well, not straight up, just slightly up.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. It did try.
Tried his best.
So bend the tips up more. We get some more lift.
Like
Yeah, a little more. Like we need to get a lot. Like a lot.
There, that way.
Are you ready? Just kind of throw it sort of straight, not too far up. All right, go ahead.
Oh,
It looks like it's back heavy. I need to move the or front heavy or something. Here, throw it that way. Ready? Okay. Oh, it was going.
I know. Yeah. Every time.
All right, try it again. I'll stay back because I don't know if I got it. You ready? Go ahead.
Yeah, it did try.
It needs to be either bigger. It definitely needs to be a little more powerful, which we know that.
A little bit more powerful.
And I put it in the front where we were going to put it in the back.
Yeah.
So that might help it. I didn't weight balance it very well, apparently. Try it again. I want to watch it. You ready? Sorry, Lily, I stepped on your foot. Actually, it looks front heavy, doesn't it? All right, let me try to adjust it. All right, I moved the ballast in the back a little bit, so there's the good plane. Are you ready? Stand over here so I can see it better. I know it's all messed up. This is just a test. We knew we had to go faster, bigger, better, but all right, go ahead. I mean, it is staying in the air. Try it again. Throw it towards that way. Ready? It's on. That's better actually. So we're on about half the rated voltage of those motors, because that battery must be a nickel cadmium, so it's only 1.6 volt, and it's not fully charged probably. Ready? All right, go ahead.
Did you hear it?
It went. Wing. All right, let me try moving it back even further. You ready, Elijah? Okay, try it. Oh, it actually flew.
Yeah, it actually went like it opened up.
All right, try it one more time. Throw it that way.
Too heavy.
Oh, you know what? The battery thing moved. Bring it here. Let's fix it. Okay, you ready to try?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
It even has
Yeah, it has backlights.
It has red lights over there.
Okay, Dexter, here's what I want to do. I want you to just go way down there by the poop scooper thing. Yeah, I want to see if this reaches, because I want to know if we can fly it in this park or if we should find a different remote.
Okay.
Bunnies.
You blackberry and get ready.
Oh my. I see it's still working. Wow, that's pretty cool. You guys probably can't see the still working, right? Okay, bring it back this way and throw it so I can see it. You ready? Throw it. Throw it. No, like throw it. Okay, throw it. It falls with style. Here, let me adjust the front motor. We'll try one more thing. Alright, so I totally whacked out the autofocus is not working, but that's okay. There we go. Nope, still not working. Anyway, I totally whacked out this thing just to give it a fun try. It's probably gonna go forward anyway.
Yeah.
But this is version. Hold on, why is the focus broke? Hold on, autofocus. There we go. So this, let me see it closer. So this is version 1.0. It literally was put together in 5 minutes, just to give this thing a quick test. So don't throw it too hard because it should go up. Yeah, it should go up a little bit. All right, go ahead.
Oh yeah.
It's too much.
Yeah, it's too much.
Here, I'll push it down a little bit because it's just the tape holding it. Let's just see what happens. Are you ready?
Yeah.
On your mark, go. Okay, we got lift.
Yeah, we got lift.
All right, let's bend this down a little bit because the tape's just kind of holding it up.
Yeah, it's good. Boy, I think when it flies, it just like lifts it back up.
It probably does a little bit. You ready? Okay, go. Okay, so what would you call that? For failure, success? What would it be?
Sort of.
It's like a.
Yeah.
It's plausible. I think we can get this to work.
Yeah, we will. We might.
I think we can. We're only on half the battery voltage anyway, so I mean, if that thing was at full battery, I think we'd have a really good.
Yeah, we would pretty much fly.
All right, so this time I want you to like, don't throw it so hard you rip your arm off, but I want you to launch the thing.
Like.
I want you to like really launch it. I want to see it really go.
Okay, so
Are you ready? Kind of throw it up a little bit, but not too much. You ready? Okay. Boom! All right, throw the non-flying paper airplane just to see what happens.
This is a non-flying paper.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, you stay there. I want you to throw them both to see how far they go. No, not at the same time. All right. It was still way better. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. It's on. Oh, I win. I win further. All right, well that's cool. So we will go for round 2 when we get a little more time.
Yeah.
I literally taped that together in 5 minutes.